Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to fix screen passcode, Face ID, Touch ID spontaneously, of course. If Google FRP is required, this can be also, of course, fixed without PC or laptops on Vivo Y7273, especially on any Vivo series model. You can apply this strategy, guys. Here, right now, see, this is a screen locks, and this setup, especially this cam at my shops to especially fix it. So we will try to fix. So firstly, we will have to hard reset of it. So how we will do hard reset? Check it out here. Here is a three button. One is especially power key, and second is a on off key, sorry, power key, and the second is the special up and down volume. So we will have to hold it together, these all buttons. So let's see, we will together push three all, keep holding, keep holding, keep holding, and here is a power off. So we will click on here and keep holding till it's not going in here recovery mode. So now we came on the recovery mode, and let's see here, we will click on here on this. So we will down volumes, and then we will push this directly, it will not take. So just we will put on this power key. So now see, we have the rest on here, and what we will do, guys, hard reset is a very easy on any Vivo series. Just apply this strategy. Now see here, there will be option open to hard reset. Now here is a clear captcha, installation software, check software and enter safe mode. So just prefer to clear all the data. So we will click on here. Now we can see. So we can apply this strategy, of course, step by step. Don't skip ahead. Every step is going to be a very crucial further if FRP is required. So just apply this strategy, and any especially Vivo series as quickly can be fixed at your home without using PC, laptops, or any computers. At your home, yes, you can fix it. So just we are going to further. Let's see. Let it clear very well. So now see, all the things has been completed. Now return to. So we will have to go for return to similar way to press this up and down volume together and keep holding this. Keep holding to exit from there. We will have to exit to a normal mode. So keep holding. Now leave it both button and keep holding this. So now we have raised this ones on a normal mode. Now we will see if FRP is required. Then of course the further we will go for. Most probably this will not ask any FRP. If it is FRP will be required, then I will show you this easily can be bypassed. How it is possible? Just we will see. Now see, this is the easiest way ever to hard reset of Vivo series quickly. Just a matter of a game of especially up down volume and especially on off key. So now we are waiting for a result of further. Screen passcode can be easily, Face ID is not recognized or finger touch is not recognized, then you can fix it without losing in data here. Yes, if you know your Gmail ID, but if you don't know, yes, either your device in the stolen mode, lost mode, blacklist, in this situation you can apply this, then it will stuck on a FRP or Gmail link. So we will see here what's the Gmail ID link, and then further we will go for. There should be no SIM card, guys, inside it, but old SIM card especially I had inserted here. So it's a functional, but it's a mine, so maybe especially see here. Now what we will do, guys, here, just simply we will click on this start button. So now it has started to here. Just we will have to select the country or location. So let's fix this. Now here we will have to accept the term and condition, then we will go for next, and here we will have to use a Wi-Fi connection. So let's see. Yes, we will write here. Now it's ready to open here. Now see, it's getting ready, guys. Let's check it out. It's the easiest way to check it out, especially if any Gmail ID is linked, then of course it will remind you the particular Gmail. If it is not, then of course we will see directly, we will go the inside of it. So we are waiting here. Most probably device will be especially fixed by that. Here is having network error, so no problem at all. Let's try once again. It's a totally live, guys, here. So let's see further what kind of the errors are coming here. Let me keep it this device here, so that will be a more visible. Don't worry, it will take scarcely 2 to 5 minutes to especially your phone would be ready with latest updated version or maybe latest updated app. So don't worry, you'll have to wait here. Still it's taking time, guys, here. Much more time it's taking. What we can here now, it can just we will click here, don't copy. So now it's asking a pin, guys, here. We don't have a pin, so just we will click on here instead of it. So this is a Gmail FRP, guys. We need here FRP. So any Vivo series, how you FRP, let's learn live here. Now what we will do, guys, here we will have to here just click on a back, you can say, otherwise directly we will click on a here. See both button, up and down volumes. Keep holding. Yes, here we will click turn on this, then once again keep holding. Fine, so we come on here, just we will have to
welcome to Talkback.
Fine,
Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader
we will have to write here L ret.
Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a
L.
Talkback menu.
Here we will have to go on a
Next type.
search, and
Search term.
we are on
Show
here
English, UK, QWERTY key.
now 2 times. One more time. Just we will click here 2 times.
Next language. Double. Editing.
Yes,
Show
now
braille
we will go for
keyboard.
next.
Next. Button.
We will go for next.
Button. Starting now.
Now.
You won't be able to use regular Talkback gestures.
Now 3.
Talkback isn't
Yes.
available while using the Braille keyboard. Keyboard hidden. Search term. Edit. Heading.
No,
Search result. List.
it's not taken
Double
again.
tap to activate.
Once again.
Search result. Next language. No next head. Showing Braille.
Once again we will go for
Button. Double tap to. Starting now. You won't be able to use regular Talkback gestures. Talkback isn't available while using the Braille keyboard. First, turn your phone so that the screen is facing away from you.
so let's see.
Next, rotate the phone horizontal. The options menu
Here.
will open. Click your phone
We'll have to go for
settings.
setting. Click on here.
Search tab. Showing Braille keyboard. Contracted Unified English Braille.
Now we will come
No
here.
previous heading.
See here. Reverse include preference the language. Just we will go for here. Click on this.
Navigate up button.
Now
Double
here.
tap to activate.
Now let's off.
Intelligently manage app battery usage to extend the battery life. Tap to go to settings greater than battery greater than background power consumption management to change settings.
Keep
Music
holding, guys.
volume set to 53%. Music. Navigate up. Talkback settings. Navigate up button. Double tap to act. Controls. Audio. Note. Controls.
It's
Heading.
taking time, so we will have to off this.
Talkback off.
Fine. Now here we will click on this. B. Rally display, and go to talks. Now what we will do, guys, here we'll have to check it out here, accessibility here, and we can see this one also. Here is now enable this, click on here. Now we can see here, yes, we will back, then we will come in here, see shortcut here we can see, yes, we can, this shortcut accessibility, friends, we will back, it's already enabled. So we'll come in a accessibility menu, make it shortcut, enable, come in setting, check it out here. Now it's enabled already, yes, friends. Now we'll back, click on this. Now we will come on here, open setting. So now see here, guys, we'll come in especially system. We can see here is not a clone option is a coming here, otherwise easily this can be fixed in a navigations. In navigation there is no also options. So what we can here, we can see the model number and these things here, yes. Now we can see. So now we will come in a setting 2, of course we will reset this whole system. So where is the options? Now we can come in a system 2, here is options, reset option, and you can reset of this device. This system will be fixed quickly, FRP, and everything will be restored as a normal mode of that. So this is all about, guys. Thank you. Now once again we will have to back here, guys. So let's not a copy, just we will have to back, check it out, Wi-Fi, hold it, and here. Now once again we will go for next, just don't copy. So now see here there is options to especially a skip option enable. So FRP has been easily completed now. Yes, we will back to go for accept term and condition. Now here is a thing that is just screen option pattern we will go for. Fine. Now click L mode, go for L, confirm. Now just we will go for next, now system is ready. So this is all about, guys. Now see here it has taken, just we will go for accept term and condition, we will go for here. Now it's congratulating, so everything has been fixed now as a normal one. So easiest way ever that you can FRP, you can screen unlocks, everything, so guys. This is all about. Thank you for staying the till end of this tutorial. Hi, this is Technology Well Fan. Would be back with a step-by-step with new tutorial. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content, because yes, I'll be back with one new tutorial step by step. So thank you very much indeed.